Welcome to technically 2, restocking my Etsy shop, but part 1 for this section. So right now, looking at the first pattern I'm going to be using, it's called the Butterfly Cardigan by P4P, which is Pattern for Pirates. You can look it up either way, and they'll still come up. I put P4P on Google search and it brings them right up. Now, I bought the bundle pack. I think it brings the adult and the children's size. You usually save a little bit of money when you do it that way, but if you're only sewing for children's and you have no interest whatsoever sewing for yourself, I think you should pamper yourself a little bit and maybe give yourself some love by sewing something for yourself. You'd be surprised how excited you'll be. I already have this printed out and cut. I went ahead and cut it. I didn't think to actually record the process of putting the pattern together. Let me go ahead and grab the pattern and show it to you. It's going to be so adorable and tiny and cute. So usually when I cut a pattern, I actually fold it in half and keep everything together inside here. So it gives me all the little pieces. This is a little elbow patch. This is going to be the pocket. And then this is the patch pocket. So let me see. So this was the inseam pocket. This is the patch pocket piece. And then this is the sleeve. And this tiny and cute. had to move quickly and temporarily to the bedroom because there's a lot going on out there. But right now I'm working on part 2, which is going to be the bottoms, and I used this pattern before. It's going to be listed, I think, one of my other videos. I'll list it down below as well. I'll try to list everything down below, but I already have all the pieces cut out. I also have the pieces for 2 headbands cut out. I have the cuffs and the waistband here, and then I have the little pants here. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on sewing. As you can see, there is Fia, Slink, and little tiny petite Shadow here. She's a lot smaller than all the other ones so far, so this is day I don't know what later, but I think I remember where I left off. I was working on the pants, baby pants, and I was going to be doing some headbands. So for this set, I am going to show you the first thing that I will be, kind of one of the first things I'm going to be restocking on my Etsy shop as part of this restocking video. It's going to be this baby set. Now I still have the onesie left to put a design on it. I am trying to figure out what I'm going to put on this because I don't want it to be too specific to where it doesn't sell because it's very specific, or if I should just pick a generic design that just goes with it. But with that being said, I am so excited to show you the tiny little baby pants. This is the back, this is the front. To go along with this, I also made a little cardigan. So we have the baby cardigan too to go along with it. And I have a onesie that obviously I just mentioned is going to go with it. I also made 2 little headbands. So these are the headbands that are going to be going with this set. Here's the first one, it matches the print on the outfit. And then here's the second one, it matches the solid color on the outfit. Now this one's got a little bit more stretch, so it's going to last you a little longer. This fabric's a little bit thicker, so this headband's going to look a little bit smaller, but it does have stretch to it. So I am going to put some pictures of the set along the way here. It does come with all 5 pieces, and I'm so excited because I love making baby sets. They're cute, tiny, and they're adorable. I mean, like, who can pass up on those? I gotta brag for a second. I usually don't, but I'm gonna brag on this. Every person who sews gets excited about this. My seams, look at that. Ching. I'm so excited. I looked at this and I always check my seams, and they're all there. Like, they're all nicely aligned on this set, and I just cannot wait. Now this is 0 to 3 months. I was trying to find, I was thinking whether or not newborn. I don't think that you really want to be putting too much on a newborn, especially a little cardigan. I mean, it is adorable, let me tell you. But this is made to fit 0 to 3 months. Some babies can fit, you know, not all the babies are the same, so they can fit different sizes at different ages. So this should last a little longer. Also, the pants do fold down the waist. It's meant to be folded down, and as baby's growing, then you can go ahead and extend your waistband and until the baby can fit in it no longer. It does have a good stretch to it too, and this is very, very stretchy up here as well. So this should fit for a little time, at least for a little while, depending on the growth of your little bundle of joy. With that being said, this is the end of this first part of my restocking. That being said, I'm going to go ahead and insert some pictures. I want to wish everyone a happy, beautiful day, and I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I will see you on the next video.